Hey everyone, welcome back. My name is Ralph with IMS 3D Printing and Engraving. Today we're taking a quick look at the intelligent fill on Falcon Design Space. A lot of people have issues, they don't know how to use it. Quick, simple video. I'm just going to show you right away how to use it. It's not that hard. If your camera's configured right, you're really golden. But if you're off a little bit, make sure your camera, is configured as best as you can. With that said, let's get started. Thank you. All right, we have Falcon Design Space open. We'll go ahead and click on Workspace. Inside here, we have the intelligent fill, and this is what we're going to be working with today. I have on my A1 Pro right now, I have a piece of basswood on there with 3 or 4 business cards on there. Okay, we'll hit the camera button. We'll grab a shot. As you can see on here, I got a piece of basswood down, 3mm. And then we're going to use we're going to change this here in a minute, but it's 3mm basswood. And then we have the black business aluminum cards on there. And all we're going to do is click intelligent fill. It's showing you that, as you can see, my blue line is around all 4 cards. Hit next. It says on add graphic, whatever you're going to use. It doesn't matter. You could import your graphic. I'm just going to grab something out of here. That works for me. I'm just going to shrink it down, size it up for my material. I'm also going to change that to a red line so we can see it better. Just for visual purposes. Really doesn't matter. So that's all we had to do. Hit next. We're going to highlight that card. Hit intelligent fill. That easy. It places it in the same spot as it could see. I mean, you may have to move it, but I mean, it looks like it's the same on each one of these cards. That's it. Run your tests, depending on how you're gonna frame it, verify that it has it on there, and you're good to go. You could do one card at a time if you want to frame it, or you can do the whole thing. But it's that simple using the intelligent fill. All right, if you found this useful, please give me a thumbs up, a like, leave comments. Doesn't matter to me. I'll do this for you people because it's a learning process for me to this day, and I know a lot of you guys are learning, so we work together, and I'm not afraid to stumble through my mistakes and show you how to use things. We'll catch you on the next video. Thank you.